is it that I'm not supposed to exist?
Well, what do you want to do, Xion?
I want to be with you two.
Then come back with us.
I can't. Not the way I am now. But what would it take for me to be like you?
Hey, it's been a while.
You think so?
So, I went to the beach today. And there was this girl who looked kind of like Xion. But I couldn't get close enough to tell for sure. I probably imagined it. To be honest, I'm not even sure today's mission really happened. Feels like I just woke up from a dream or something. Do you remember our promise? When we said that the three of us would go to the beach on our next break? Maybe that's why. Maybe I saw Xion there because I wanted her to be there.
Wanna go look for her?
Huh?
Beginning tomorrow, let's use our spare time to find Xion.
Mm-hmm. Sounds good. Let's do that.
Tag 277. Die Suche. Erstmal ganz kurz. WTF. Das mit Soa, seine Niemand in Form von Roxas, was eigentlich ziemlich sicher gerade mal so erklärt wurde. Und Xion, okay, soweit klar. Also in Erinnerungen, ja, auch. Mehr oder weniger. Warum die überhaupt irgendwie zu niemanden oder zu den niemanden, ja, also sprich zu Roxas und Xion fließen können, nur weil Soa gerade pennt. Und weil Namen in seinen Erinnerungen geklaut, also beziehungsweise einfach halt die Verbindungen gekappt hatte, er sich deswegen nicht mehr erinnern konnte. Und jetzt gehen die Erinnerungen also an die beiden irgendwie über. Ja. Und jetzt einfach mal die einzige Möglichkeit, dass Soa noch zu retten ist, die beiden zu killen. Okay. Warum kann man dann die Erinnerungen nicht einfach kopieren? Also echt Copy-Paste machen quasi, und wieder bei Soa einpflanzen, fertig. Und irgendwie halt so nur die beiden schlafen schicken und dann bei ihnen die Erinnerungen zu extrahieren und bei Soa einzusetzen. Also irgendwie ganz ehrlich, das Spiel geht hier... Ich verstehe, worauf das Spiel hinaus will. Ich verstehe das Dilemma, was die Charaktere, auch Riku hat, obwohl ich das Augenblick nicht ganz verstehe, aber das ist ein anderes Thema. Aber dass man das so kompliziert machen muss, alter Schwede. Ja gut. Muss irgendwie einen Grund geben, wie es zu Kingdom Hearts 2 kommt, wa? Machen wir mal weiter, Leute. Roxas Mission führte ihn in eine der Welten, wo er auf die stets rätselhafte Tigerkatze traf. Ja, die kennen wir auch noch. Bevor die Tigerkatze verschwand, erwiderte sie auf Roxas Fragen, dass er seinem Herz folgen und selbst entscheiden müsse, woran er glaube. Aber er hatte gar kein Herz, das ist ein Problem. Würde ein Herz denn alle Probleme lösen können, einschließlich der Sache mit Xion? Roxas dachte darüber nach, woran er glauben sollte, obwohl er kein Herz hatte. Roxas und Exa setzen ihre jeweiligen Suche nach Xion fort. Über alle Welten, die wir bereits in- und auswendig kennen. Tag 296. Geständnis. Oh, jetzt wird spannend.
It's no use.
You sure you're not forgetting someplace?
I've been everywhere I know how to get to.
All right.
The only place I haven't been to is Castle Oblivion. It was just the other day that Shion was asking you what the place was like. And the day before she disappeared, you said she was put on an important mission, remember?
Yeah. But there's nothing there anymore.
Well, Shion might be there.
Apparently, Shion comes from Castle Oblivion.
What?
And that's probably why she was asking about the place.
I had no idea.
Me neither. I only found out a little while ago.
Castle Oblivion. Shion.
Tag 297, Kontakt.
So, this is Castle Oblivion. Roxas? My head.
Easy, man. Let's retreat for now and...
I'm fine. We have to find Shion. What's happening?
Roxas!
So much. Rushing into my head.
Let's get out of here for now.
No, wait. There's something I can almost...
Giving up already? I thought you were stronger than that.
Riku!
Are you all right?
What happened to me?
You collapsed just as you entered the castle doors. Don't you remember?
I only remember going inside.
Just take it easy for now.
I'm fine. Let's go back to Castle Oblivion.
Don't push yourself, man. Who's there?
Shion? Shion! Wait! Out of the way! Hey!
Roxas, wait! I thought the imposter was sighted in Castle Oblivion.
Shion.
No way that was Shion.
The one who ran away first was Shion. But why run?
You want to go back?
Offenbar nicht. 298, der Bruch.
Shion. Where have you been? Axel and I have been looking all over for you.
You have? Sorry.
Let's go home. If you come back voluntarily, Sykes will let all this drop. He has to. I don't care what he said to you. I'll be there. Me and Axel will make sure...
I really can't.
Why not? Come on! Wait!
Well, hello there, Shion.
Axel? No, wait! Stop! Shion.
Tag 299. Sora.
You're sure things are better this way?
I never expected you to question it. If you could save one of them, why would you choose the puppet? Or put it this way, which would you rather suffer the loss of? Some make-believe friendship? Or a real one? Things are finally right again. Of course we're better off this way. Xemnas is exasperated from all the fixing we've had to do. We have to set things right. There's simply too much on the line, Lee.
I need to know.
About what?
Shion. Tell me what happened to her.
Shion is a valued member of the organization, but she needs her rest. So worry not. Sora.
Sora. Who is Sora?
The connection.
Connection?
He is what makes you and Shion a part of each other's lives. And the reason I placed Shion among our number. If you want her to stay that way, I must insist. You get your mind off these needless distractions. I will have Shion return to her duties tomorrow. Today, you must focus on yours.
Understood. Oh.
Hey, Roxas.
Are you certain we've taken suitable measures with Shion and Roxas?
I will admit, Shion has strayed from our original designs. However, we are also seeing an interesting side effect.
Really?
The key. Shion was affected by Roxas, just as we had anticipated. This was indeed what we had hoped to achieve. But then, through Roxas, Sora himself began to shape it into her, giving Shion a sense of identity. Our plan seemed like a failure at this point. But then it occurred to me. Shion is keeping Sora's memories trapped by claiming them as her own. Keeping her close to Roxas will ultimately prevent Sora from ever waking.
I see. And what of the imposter?
See that he stays away from Roxas. He is merely an impurity that would make Shionne's existence incomplete.
Then we shall return to our original plan.
What am I supposed to do? Riku?